Alright guys, this is Eli, aka Hublotforte, Hublotforte. That's me. Follow me on Instagram, shameless plugin, or SoundCloud, Spotify. I'm all up on that. I'm a rapper, up and coming. Action Bronson don't want none of this. I'm here, part of the Luxury Travel Council. First time in Mardi Gras, been a blast, still a blast, gonna be a blast, all the way to Fat Tuesday. Y'all ain't ready for it.
Give us your input on, what you've observed and experienced thus far.
So far, this is different, mad different. It's like the birthplace of Portland before it grew up, There's so much diversity. There's no one that looks the same, whether that's good or bad. Everyone's acting up but acting good at the same time. That's pretty nice. Drunks, sobers, all having fun. This is nothing but the best of Mobile on Mardi Gras.
Talk to us about your actual observance, because you made a point earlier where you mentioned, like what you've seen as far as the people and the culture. Talk to us about that.
The culture out here is so diverse, it's ridiculous. We got old white men with dreads, no shirts, in cold, freezing weather. We got young white boys collared up, looking like they just left the fraternity party, partying with YNs all around, having a good time. Like, they are clashing in the best way possible that you could have it. Ain't no one fighting, little yelling here and there, but you throw some beads at them, they calm down, and we love that. That's what we need: peace, love, and beads.
Is this your first Mardi Gras? And if so, is it what you expected, or do you think you could experience it in a different way?
This definitely is. You hear this? You hear this? This is what you can expect. Out here impressing no one, but he's doing it. He's doing it. Crazy. But this is my first Mardi Gras, and it's exactly what I expected. I caught beads for me and the wifey, rocking the red and blue, unity and whatnot. Everything's just turned, and I love it. This is so great. 10 out of 10. Mardi Gras would do again. Only 3 floats though, that was crazy. But with those 3 floats, they popped off for a split second.
So tell us, where are you from, and what all do you know about Mardi Gras?
I'm from Clarksville, Tennessee, a Tennessee boy. Mardi Gras wise, I know you cut a cake, you get the baby, you make tamales. We don't do tamales, but I will if I get the baby. I guess I'm making tamales tonight. Indonesian style, but yeah.
I'm back with our special guest, Eli. What's up, Eli? Tell us what you think so far.
So far, it's been lit. It's been crazy. I've caught so many stuff. I feel like OBJ in this mug. I'm out here one-armed.
Hey, so tell me, is this what you thought Fat Tuesday, Mardi Gras in Mobile, Alabama was gonna be like? Has it lived up to your expectations?
It's done nothing but live up to the expectations. We out here catching, and I love it. I love it.
Hey, what all have you seen them throwing off the floats?
Full boxes of moon pies, full boxes of fudge swirls. We got TVs being thrown out here.
TVs?
TV. I got a pink ball. I don't know where that's for, but we out here with it.
Y'all heard it, y'all. They are throwing TVs off of the floats down here at the 2026 Mardi Gras Fat Tuesday in Mobile, Alabama. If you missed out, you don't want to miss it next year.